Window shopping is perceived by many to be very difficult. One of the things that Woodland has done is to simplify that process. What we bring to you is a wonderful showroom. Our salesmen are trained to bring you the right product and the right solution specifically for your home. Our installers are trained. When they go to your home, they already have a roadmap as to what needs to be done. We take care of the detail. You don't have to worry about the detail.
Traditionally, too many window companies use high-pressure sales tactics to sell you windows, or they offer phony discounts and use unqualified installers. Woodland is the alternative. We are a zero-pressure sales team with no false promises. Schedule an in-home consultation where a sales rep will come out and listen to your wants and needs. We will give you a proposal that same day.
One of the things that makes us unique at Woodland is the fact that we have many different product offerings. We have Marvin's classic aluminum clad wood window, and as we're driving up to the curb, we're assessing the home and trying to find out what the best fit for the house is, whether it is a wood window or a fiberglass window like the Essential, or a combination. The Elevate is a fiberglass exterior with a wood interior. And then it's a matter of sitting down with the homeowner at the table and finding out what they want. Sometimes they want a wood window and they want that rich wood look. Some people say, you know, I'd rather go with that Essential, that fiberglass window. It sounds like low maintenance. So it's a matter of finding out what is important to the homeowner, making suggestions, things like that. But that connection is what's really important.
We were super happy with Ryan and what he showed us when he came out. We knew that we wanted to do something a little bit special, and he gave us some options. We talked about the garden window, the awning windows. He was really patient with us and kind of walked through all of the window options. He slowly began to educate us. And when we came to this awning window that you could open and it being 4 feet wide, we were really excited about the opportunity. We kind of looked at each other like, yeah, that would be so cool.
Since 1969, Woodland Windows and Doors has specialized in windows and doors installed. We hire full-time installers to assure the job is done right and on time. We also train our employees in every aspect of the installation process, including installation's best practices, such as water management. We prepare our customers well before the installation takes place with suggested tips prior to the install and convenient scheduling to meet our customers' busy schedule.
You know, part of the reason we chose to do business with Woodland was I asked a lot about the installers, and they didn't disappoint. From the time they pulled into the driveway, they had their trucks with Woodland on the side, professional in appearance, cleaned up after themselves, told us exactly what they were going to be doing every step of the way, each and every day throughout the project.
Here at Woodland, coming to people's homes becomes a personal connection. There's a promise that exists that we feel compelled to exceed customers' expectations, to know they felt safe, we paid attention to details, and gave them the quality installation, including cleanup to the smallest detail.
We're a company that cares about the details. Now, whether that be the details of a small project, maybe putting in one entry door into a residential home, or putting in 500 windows into a multi-family building.
We at Woodland offer a variety of window types. This allows us to tailor fit your project type to your project needs, from modern to historic. Ultimately, our goal is to find the exact right solution for your home every time.
From the beginning, after the salesman comes out and does all his takeoff and his measure and his pricing, then that file gets transferred over to a measure tech who comes out with 30 years of experience in installation, and it filters through him, so he's looking at every detail of that project, and then he passes it on to our ordering process team, who's going to follow through again, make sure that all the details are right, the color's right, the grill pattern's right, the glass is right, everything's going to meet the codes that are in place. And so we care about the details of the project from start to finish. That's very important to us as a company.
If you want it done right, do it the Woodland way. We'll take care of you.